Look at the biodiversity of this place. It's green and it's raining and we just had chocolate. It's amazing. Hola. Muy bien. También. Yeah, so I'm just being very chatty. I've made friends with this family. They live in Medellin, so I might meet them again. Hi there, so we are ready for our trip to Minca and I'm just waiting for the transport to come back to us. Not come back, like come and pick me. Eventually got picked up by my taxi driver Naeem, and we drove almost an hour away to Minca from Santa Marta. Minca is an amazing rainforest town popular for its coffee plantation, chocolate production and waterfalls, and in this video I'll be showing you all of those. This is our travel guide. I have a YouTube channel, so say hello. What's your name?
Andrea.
Andrea. So she Samir. Mucho gusto, Andrea. Yo viví en Londres, pero nací en Pakistán. ¿Entiendes?
Is it your first time here?
Sí, primera tiempo.
Primera vez.
Primera vez.
That's how you say it.
Primera vez.
First time.
So we are currently traveling, walking to the coffee plantation. I'm with the Colombian family and they're really friendly. They're trying to talk in English, and I'm trying to talk to speak to them in Spanish, and I am communicating a bit. So I just learned rich is right. ¿Cómo se dice left? Otra?
Left is izquierda, ¿cierto?
Izquierda. So left is izquierda. I'm learning. So it's muy bien. I'll show you. So this is the family. These guys are wearing normal shoes, so it's fine. I guess it's okay. The tour guide is talking to someone. ¿Cómo se dice trees en español? Sorry? Árboles. 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 Okay.
Mucho árbol. Es un helecho. Y ese helecho tiene como... ¿Quién está bronceado?
Bronceado, Mariana. Mariana. No, ya no.
No, Mariana.
Ah,
Sí, súper bronceado.
Sí, por detrás. Ayer estaba roja.
No,
pues seré yo.
Bueno, ese polen, ese tiene un polen blanco.
Ah, yo quiero. Todos queremos.
Mira que no sé cómo.
Sí, se ve.
La que Mariana sí se le ve.
Bien.
Vean milagros.
It's there with the pollen of the foreign.
Aparentemente.
Claro.
Ahí lo rompiste.
Como cuando uno se pega los tatuajes de niño. Los de las chicles.
Level and Hassis altitude, we have a lot of ecosystems. At the bottom of the mountain, we have dry forest because cactus well, is a different type of nature.
Sí.
This is a humidity or rainforest. Actually, we have rain from April until November. We have paramos, that is a different type of ecosystem, and we have the snow. And because all those different ecosystems, we have a lot of biodiversity.
Sí.
We have monkeys, sloths, jaguars, most concentration of birds in the country.
Muy bien.
And also we grow many different things. We have coffee, cacao, mangoes, bananas, bamboo. That most of people think is from Asia.
Yeah.
But well, Asia has some types, South America others.
Okay.
In Colombia, we call it guadua. As in,
Call it what?
guadua.
Guadua. Guadua.
Repelente, repelente, lleva el repelente.
Necesitas. This plant is called Mimosa pudisa, which is native to South America and Central America, and it closes itself when touched. So crossing the river with no shoes. I mean, I can wear my shoes and let it be wet and stuff, but I'm not too sure about it. ¿Aqua frío? ¿No? Oh, frío.
Realmente con las hojas hacen un abono y en ese abono crece un hongo que es de lo que se alimentan. Cultivan su propia comida.
Y eso lo llevan para adentro.
Mira, ¿dónde la está llevando en el tronco?
Es que ya no,
Samir, maybe have you seen those ants that are always carrying leaves?
Yes, yes.
People have the concept that they eat the leaf, but now with the leaves, they make a compost, and in the compost grow a fungi, and that's what they eat. So they grow their own food.
I see.
Bueno, entonces digamos, esa hoja ya se empieza a
See,
descomponer.
these
Yeah,
ants
entonces uno
are traveling with leaves, and they're going in there. So we have reached the coffee plantation place. It's middle of nowhere, and they're all sitting down now. Precaución.
Samir,
Sí.
okay, the pink flower that is on hanging,
Yes.
it's called the donkey flower. It's a narcotic flower, and if you smell for a long time, you feel dizzy. As a component for produce a drug.
Oh. Beautiful. Native to Minca. Here, Andrea gave us a briefing of how coffee is produced in the coffee farm at Minca. She was initially talking in Spanish, and then she gave me a briefing in English as well.
Samir, I said,
Sí.
okay, this is how looks the second quality. This
Yeah.
is what the coffee that we couldn't peel when we pass by the machine. Or if you see, most of the beans has holes, then it's where the insects eat it, and that's what they float.
Oh, okay.
This is the coffee when we already did the selection, fermentation, and drying.
This is good.
Yeah. You can see they don't have holes. And
So this usually coffee is darker in color, right? It's like this.
no, the thing is, that's when it's roasted.
Oh, roasted. Yes.
The coffee like this has a second skin that we have to take out, and we have this. Okay, we can make another one if you want to. Make
This is
another.
the final product.
Yeah.
And then you roast it.
Okay, yeah, if you want. So you separate that skin with this. Then you same this. Then it's what we call green coffee. This is how Colombia sells the coffee. This is how we export.
Okay.
Actually, it's very popular because it's healthier, preserve all the antioxidants, caffeine, it's good for lose weight. But it doesn't have the same flavor. Coffee just tastes and smells when it's roasted.
Yeah.
And here we roasted them in that black tent. Something like that?
This is where you roast the coffee. This is not roasted. This is. Let me try one with the carrot here. Right now, we're just enjoying the coffee. This is the coffee. I have it with sugarcane syrup. Show you the sugarcane syrup. This is the sugarcane syrup. I don't know what that is, but everyone's having coffee. They've grounded it, they've made it, they've roasted it, grounded it. This is liquor de cafe. I think it's a strong cafe. Yeah. We can drink late. Yeah. Tomando.
Pa' arriba,
Pa arriba.
pa' abajo,
Pa abajo.
pa'l centro
Pa el centro.
y pa' adentro.
Y pa adentro. Todo. So that was a Colombian way to like drink. So they go like this, go like this, go like down, and then I need to know what it means, so I'll ask him. Celular, sí, cuidado.
Yo pensé que iba a decir, por ahí no es. Que se vaya al resto. Aquí es frío.
So we've just walked up from the water place, and now we're just listening to the guide.
34.
Just asking everyone's age. So we're just walking, and there's this huge bamboo trees. Like, it's huge. So our guide was saying bamboo is famous in Asia, but there is a lot of bamboo in Colombia as well, as you can see. So now we're going to the waterfall. This is the Colombian family from Medellin. Hola. Muy dificulte. It's been an amazing experience in the waterfall. So we just went like, oops, I went like right there. It's a bit deep in the middle, but it's otherwise very good. And they are very good swimmers as well. What's your name? Geraldine. And you? Hare. Geraldine and Hare. And hombre Juan, Edward. So we all went into the water. It's very much fun. We are leaving this place. Podemos salir. No. Like drenched, it's raining, so I don't know why my towel is out. So I need to like. Do I need two hands or one hand? Oh, gracias. Everyone's coming. Finally reached the road. So everyone's. We've reached for lunchtime now, and I don't know where we're gonna eat, but this is food finally. Edward, Geraldine. This is what we are having for food. This is a drink. So the uses of bamboo Andrea, our tour guide, is talking about it and showing us.
This is a convention center called the House of the Thinking. Es un centro de convenciones que se llama el...
Is hot chocolate fresh from the cacao farms nearby. She's feeling really cold, so she's having it. She's also feeling very cold. Is it good? Muy bien, ¿no?
To make the drinks, after smashing them in rocks, taking that paste because of the oils in a jar, water and all the spices, and using this tool called molinillo, and bate chocolate, chocolate mixer.
¿Y por qué no pueden morder?
Porque amarga. ¿Por qué qué? Amarga.
Porque le quedó un árbol en el estómago.
Seeds.
Like sesame seeds or
This is coca and this is coca seeds. It tastes nice.
Sugar cane.
Sugar cane, muy bien. Gracias.
You put that on the fridge.
So I have mixed the coca, sugar cane, and the seeds. Looks like
Totalmente
this.
casera.
Everyone's doing the
Ahí
same.
lista para comer. Bueno, aquellos que normalmente los efectos afrodisíacos. Cuidado. ¿Qué? Pues no, ya tú
So I just made chocolate.
Yo no me hago responsable por lo que
Tastes
pasa
nice.
después. Ya como se arregla as soon as the cacao is purer, hide your defects. Yeah? Not only happiness is
The
higher,
most pure chocolate I've ever had.
addiction and the aphrodisiacs.
We're now walking back to the car. It's raining, so everyone's wearing the poncho, the rain poncho. I mean, in another video I showed you the Colombian poncho, but that was just white in color and it was cloth material. Anyways, the views on the left are very nice. Ooh.
Esto se jodió, la vecina
se
no sé
volven.
qué bebió, el vecino no sé qué prendió, a la gente no sé qué le dio, pero todo el mundo está loco, todo el mundo está loco, todo el mundo rayado del coco, y yo solo sé que montaron.